Oh, this is yen tofu, seafood soup. Oh, yummy. Okay, this is a boat noodle. Wow, this is beef, a lot of beef. Wow, looking good. Looks so delicious. Look at that. And the topping with the crunchy skin, pork skin. That's what they do. And this is my drink. Black iced coffee is my favorite iced coffee. Thai cuisine restaurants. I love yen tofu because they got a good sour taste. This is deep fry of bantan skin. They're topping with that. That's the way they do. And enjoy. This is a fish ball. And this is tofu, fish ball, and a shrimp. Basically, it's a seafood. And this is mushroom. You know, white mushroom. They grow on the bamboo. When the raining so heavy, and then you know the bamboo tree is kind of moist, and they grow the mushroom. I even see it when I was a kid. I go pick it up. It's very healthy. This is we call het nyan, and this is thick rice noodle. Let me taste. Good. How about your food? So good.
Delicious. Boat noodle soup, classic Thai style noodle soup.
What they have in there?
Got beef balls, got rice noodle, got some greens.
Some
This is the
broccoli.
Asian broccoli.
Asian broccoli.
Yeah.
Pakatna.
You know, spring onion,
Pakatna.
bean sprout,
Tell me how that tastes.
and you put the pork skin in here.
Yeah. That's the way to eat. Good.
Yummy.
How that taste? The noodle and the soup, everything.
This is my favorite noodle dish. This is it right here.
Alright.
They got the beef fat, you know, mixed in with the beef.
That's how good is that? That's
That beef fat right there.
yeah. I love that kind of beef vein.
Oh yeah, the vein.
The vein,
Delicious.
They call seed kalai, but the Thai beef.
Get that beef ball.
Yep. Okay.
I'm set up.
Go ahead, enjoy your food. And can I enjoy my tofu right here? I love tofu here. Number. And the mushroom here, guys. Yep. So good. It's compressed soup because got vegetable, got the noodle, got the seafood. This compressed soup is just so happy to eat this. When you eat this, you get full all day. You don't really get hungry like that. So full all day because the flavor, everything in here. Okay, this is gonna taste the mushroom. My favorite. So crunchy. Oh yes, my black iced coffee, no milk. Iced coffee from Thailand. Very good. Good. Time to get the fish ball. Time to take the fish ball. How about you?
Yeah, I put all my pork skins in here. You can eat them one at a time, or you can put them all in at one time. This is the best. This is the best kept secret. Pork skins and the beef soup. This, man.
It's the bomb, right?
Yeah.
It's the bomb. It is the bomb. Love this. Love this soup. Look at the shrimp, guys. Shrimp. You know, I want to share with you, you know, if you have time to go to Thailand restaurant and then you want to eat Thai food, if you love the soup, you go yen tofu, the pink color soup. If they don't understand you, they say pink color soup seafood, yen tofu, or boat noodle. You know, boat noodle, because in Thailand they sell the noodle in the boat. So when they come to United States and they open a restaurant, they say boat noodle, because if you go to the boat market, that's what they sell in there. Cheers. I just want to point it out. Two different things when you go eat Vietnamese pho, you know, PXO, that pho. That's different taste. When you go to Thailand restaurant, Thai restaurant, you get soup too. We similar, but we have the best taste ever. This soup right here, man, it's so good. Right here.
You know, Vietnamese
So
noodles, Vietnamese pho mostly clear, the water clear.
Water clear.
This you can tell it got a lot of taste.
A lot of taste.
Because that's the way the water looks.
Yeah, a lot of taste, a lot of flavor, and you feel full all day when you have a lot of taste. When you go the light taste clear, the clear taste, then they only last you for an hour. This is I have to say they last for all day for me, at least 5 hours. You know? Oh yes. This mushroom right here, you cannot have nowhere if you know how to cook. They sell in the Chinese market in the white bag. You can make with any kind of soup. Drop this one in the soup. Man, it's so delicious. Crunchy. Now the vegetable time. This is a watercress. They love to put watercress in the soup. That's the way to go. Watercress. Or another watercress we call pak bung. So this okay too. Yep, this is thick noodle. This the thick rye noodle right here. Yes, thick rye noodle. You know, yen tofu is a pink color soup and all the seafood. And this restaurant, they're the best making food. They call Thai cuisine in Rockwell. If you got around Rockwell, you come a Thai cuisine. It's a very good soup.
In Rockville, Maryland.
In Rockville, Maryland. And my friend take me to Virginia last time and I ordered this. She said, oh, it's the best. Yen tofu soup, the best when I go there. Oh my God. Just piss me off because when they don't even make exactly like that. They make like a lot of oil on top. It's not even a nice taste. Clean cut, nothing. It's the lazy taste. My friend knows. She don't know nothing better. She said, it's the best soup. Come with me, I'm gonna take you there. You know what? She don't even know food good or not good. So I just want to point it out, okay? That's another the tip to you. If you're very hungry, you love the juice so much, now you order the rice on the side and just drop in there, eat with the juice and that flavor. So they make you full all day. That's another tip to who really wanna get full to satisfy all day. Alright, that's fish ball. Let's finish it up, fish ball. Big bite. Okay guys, I'm about to wrap it up. To finish it up. My favorite food ever. So good. Iced coffee? No, black coffee. My favorite too. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up. Just finish it up. There's a lot of food right here. Tell me. Believe me, it's food so good. I'm gonna finish it up. And my coffee. Okay guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will show you more food to eating in the United States. We have everything like just like everywhere else. I will show you more how to eat a good food. In next video, I will come up new one. And please subscribe, follow me, and thank you very much. See you guys later. Bye bye. This is to go. I love the black coffee. I have to answer to go. Oh yes, to go. Thank you. Oh, one hand, that's right. Thank you. Okay, I just want to share. I want to share with you, okay?
All that good food.
All the good food. All the good food.
Price.
Good price. Look at only 28. We have 2 bowls. He eat both noodle. I eat yin tofu and coffee and the rice on the side. It's only $28, you guys. It's so cheap. Okay, you guys. Keep watching and follow me. I'm gonna show you how to eat good food and cheap, not expensive. We have so much thing to go. Okay. All right. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.